welcome back to my channel or welcome to the channel if this is the first time you're watching me. And in today's video you're gonna see me create this makeup look using Ramble Cosmetics, which says bold and beautiful. And this will be my very quick makeup routine for the summers, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy this new makeup routine of mine. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Hey guys, so let's start with a clean face and look at this beautiful hamper. It has got so many products and I love all of the products that it has. So here my face is completely moisturized, and this is the primer. It's a 3-in-1 primer which primes, protects and moisturizes, and it's got a gel consistency. It is so much like the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, but it is also very soft on your skin, and it looks so luxurious. Also it's very reasonable. And first I'm gonna apply it on my T-zone, and then I'll move to rest of the face. After applying the primer, we have got two foundations, a powder foundation and liquid foundation. So I'm gonna use them half and half on my face. So here is the liquid foundation. The consistency and the texture is very soft and it melts in your skin. And guys, the shade for me is perfect. It blends perfectly on my skin. You will see in the next few seconds. So I'm gonna apply my foundation on the face first, and then I will use this wet beauty blender, and I'm gonna just dab it, and you see how beautifully within seconds it's blended. But you have to keep on blending for a long time, which is the main key to a beautiful makeup base. And this is how the foundation looks. So I have used this on half of my face, so you will see, you can compare it. See, this is the foundation applied and this is not, and it looks so much different already. And then I'm going to use the powder foundation from Ramble Cosmetics. It looks like a compact, but it is also a very beautiful foundation. Honestly, I did not have a lot of high expectations, but guys, it amazed me to the core. You will see guys, so pretty. It matches completely with the liquid foundation. It blends completely with the liquid foundation, and you will not be able to differentiate which one is, if I've used two different foundations. And it looks so pretty on my skin. The foundation shade is also very good. It completely naturally blends on the skin. And after we are done with the foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use this eyeliner. It's a glossy eyeliner from Ramble Cosmetics, and I love the applicator. It's very thin, and it's applied very easily. I loved it. And then moving on to the mascara, it's a voluminous mascara by Ramble Cosmetics, and it gives volume within seconds. It will give a lot of volume in the first coat itself. So here I am applying the mascara, which makes my eyes look bigger, so much brighter. And then I'm gonna use their liquid highlighter. It's a very beautiful, it's a very luxurious shade. It's a golden shade, and I'm gonna apply it on the high bones of my face. And then I'm gonna use my fingers to blend it. I'm gonna just pat over the face on the high bones like this. It looks so pretty, and it really doesn't look that it's like a drugstore makeup product. It looks like it's an high-end makeup product. So this is how I am applying my highlighter, and you see guys, it gives such a different glow. I love this liquid highlighter. So now moving on, I'm going to use it on my nose as well, and I have taken some on my hand, and then I'm going to use it on my cupid's bow, so that my lips look a little brighter and fuller. And I'm going to use it on my chin area as well. Also, when you're using highlighter, you cannot absolutely forget the inner corner of your eyes. It makes your eyes look bigger, and I absolutely love this hack. So this is me applying the highlighter. After the highlighter, I'm going to apply lipstick. I have 3 different lip shades over here, so I'm going to use all of them first. Let me try this one. It looks very pretty. It's in the shade 203, and this is how the lipstick looks. Then I'm gonna use it makeup fixer by Ramble Cosmetics, and I think it's a it's got aloe vera with vitamin E, and it is so good, and it's got a very beautiful scent to it as well. And after applying the makeup fixer, I'm gonna change my lip shade. I'm gonna use this beautiful chocolate brown. It's in the shade 208, which is also very beautiful. And then this one is shade number 207, and it's not transferable, it's transfer proof. And that, guys, is my makeup routine. I hope you all enjoyed my 5 minutes makeup routine. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. All the links to these products will be given in the description box. I absolutely loved Ramble Cosmetics. Among all of these amazing products were the primer, the lipsticks, the eyeliner, and the makeup setting spray. All the products are so amazing, you have seen, and they are so affordable, so reasonable, perfect for your go-to makeup routine for the summer season. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye guys, I will see you super soon in my very next video. Bye.